Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I stopped by at Palms Residence Phase 2 to give you site updates on what we have done so far. Remember that we have the Palms Residence apartments currently selling at off-plan projects. Remember, we started off this project also as off-plan projects. So we've brought Palms Residence apartments to you for you to key in as off-plan projects. So I came to give you site updates on what we have done on Palms Residence Phase 2. Then remind you that our Palms Residence apartment is currently selling. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom, okay, and they all come with initial deposits and payment plan. If this is your first time of coming across my face, my name is Joanne, your real estate consultant here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Your best bet when it comes to anything off land. I did deliver. So please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you stay notified on this channel. I'll be flipping my camera over, but before I do that, I want to tell you that you see me for the first time where this project is located. Palms Residence is located in Adesanya. The exact location is opposite the Fort Oil. If you know the Fort Oil, after the mother and child, the Urban Prime 1 and 2, then you head down. After Ajah Mall, you will pass the Lekki Scheme 2. After the Lekki Scheme 2, you will pass an estate called Chaplain Court. After Chaplain Court, you proceed down, you will see another Urban Prime, I think Urban Prime 3 or so. Then you will drive down a bit, you will see First Oil filling station. Opposite that road, you enter the road that will take you to Palms Residence Phase 2 and the Palms Residence apartment. So hit the subscribe button like I mentioned earlier. So if you are willing to invest in this project, we are open for inspections. You can come and see what we are doing in the Palms Residence Phase 2. I can also show you the Palms Residence Phase 1 because we've delivered Palms Residence Phase 1 and is still in the same location with the Palms Residence Phase 2 and the Palms Residence apartment. Okay, so I'll flip the camera over as we always do and I'll show you the latest site updates. Then we'll take it off from there. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you shortly. Welcome back, viewers. This is a site update of the Palms Residence Phase 2. This is the level of development in here in Palms Residence Phase 2. We are also going to see the site for the apartments. I will show you where we'll be having the apartments. I just want to quickly run you through the site updates in Palms Residence Phase 2. Okay, you can see that all these units, they are already plastered. So work is in progress in this side. Work is in progress in this side. And work is also in progress in this side. So we sold out this project within the space of 2 weeks. We started off as off-plan projects. Yeah. The same way we started selling the Palms Residence apartments as off-plan project. That was the same way we started off this project as off-plan. And today, look at how far we have come. Don't forget we did it in Palms Residence Phase 1. And doing it here is not an issue. So let me take you to the site location of the Palms Residence apartments. But let me still take you through what we are doing here. See this foundation, very solid foundation. Foundation is really high, so we are not doing anyhow work here. This is even going to come out more better than the Phase 1. So if you missed out on Phase 1, I'm pretty sure you got into this place. If you missed out here, please don't miss out on the apartments, okay? Apartments are selling as off-plan currently. So key in. 10 million deposit. You get started and you spread your balance across months. That's the benefit of off-plan. So let's go to where we'll be having the apartments. We've not started work there, but I want to show you the site where we're going to be having the apartments. So let me walk you through where we are going to be having the apartments. You see, this is phase 2. This is still phase 2, Palms Residence phase 2. What we have here are terraces, duplex terraces. So we are bringing in the Palms Residence apartments here. This is a site for the apartments. We've not started off anything, but believe me, very soon work is going to start. So you still have the time, you have the opportunity to buy now that we are selling for less. Okay, don't forget, 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment. The 3-bedroom comes with a BQ. Initial deposit for the 1-bed is 10 million. Initial deposit for the 2-bed is 15 million, and initial deposit for the 3-bed is 15 million. It's going to come with great features. You are going to have the greenery area, water supply, of course, estate gym, 24-hour security, drainage system, 360 balcony. Yeah, just as you're seeing it on the 3D flyer. It's going to come that way. Well-paved floor, prime location, of course, parking lots, 247 electricity, very important. It's going to have an elevator. You're not climbing the stairs, okay? So call me or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. This is an ongoing project. This is still our project. All this, they're our project. And I don't know if you are, let me zoom in. There's a White House. There's a White House over there. That's a Palms Residence phase 1. So you see, I told you that the phase 1 and phase 2, they're close to each other. So this is where the apartments will be sitting on. All this empty space you're seeing, all this, that's where we're going to be having the apartments, okay? I'm not bragging, but any off-plan projects I bring into this channel, trust me that they're going to deliver on 100%. Smart investors, that brings us to the end of the site updates in Palms Residence phase 2. Key into the Palms Residence apartments. Now we are still selling at off-plan, and we are still selling at a lower price. Mind you, these prices, they don't wait for you to make up your mind. So call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. My name is Joanne, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.